What's up guys, I'm Sean, back at Sonoma Raceway, this time with NASA. First time with them. I'm running their HPDE4 class. Not only do I get to run my car, but I also get to spectate some races. So let's see how it goes. Testing out my homemade wood splitter and also my coolant relocation. Session one. Just finished the first session with NASA. There's a lot of traffic. My fastest lap so far is a 154.59. So I'm 9/10 of a second away from my personal best. So I'm positive I'm going to beat it today. I'm the #1 car in the staging area, just to try to avoid some traffic. I broke my previous personal best by over a second. I ran at 153.46. Session three. Just finished the third session, ran another personal best. I ran a 153.02, so basically a 153 flat. I'm knocking on the door of 152. Let's see if I get there. I'm gonna do one more session. guys, finished all 4 sessions with NASA. Ran the HPDE 4 group, which is basically the advanced group for HPDE. It was overall a good day, no issues with the car, no issues on track. And I managed to cut my personal best by over 2 seconds. So the last time I was here, I ran a 154.5. And today I ran a 152.87. So I'm under 153. I'm finally into the 152s. And it's really getting comfortable with the track and getting comfortable with the setup. I mean, I have a new front splitter, but I don't think that really made too much of a difference. I think it's more getting comfortable with the track and pushing it a little bit more and more. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.